Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the PrimePort, a powerful multi-chain NFT marketplace where you can buy, sell and create and collect NFTs across multiple EVM blockchains. Whether you are a seasonal collector or just getting started, PrimePort has something for everyone. I will not only walking you through the platform but also show you step by step how to buy and sell NFTs on PrimePort. Let's get started. First, let's look at the home page. At the top, we have the navigation bar with options like home, collection, state, drops, and search function. There's also a connect wallet button essential for interacting with the platform. The main banner says buy, sell, create, and collect NFTs, which sums up PrimePort core features. Below, it explains that PrimePort is a multi-chain NFT marketplace supporting EVM blockchains, meaning you can trade NFTs across networks like XDC, Ethereum, and more. Here we see top collection like Prime Numbers, PRNT NFT, and Drops, where new projects launches. Now let's dive into how to actual buy and sell NFTs on PrimePort. First, make sure you are on the XDC network. If you are using MetaMask, go to the setting, network and add network. Enter the XDC network detail just as a RPC, URL, chain ID, etc. Once added, switch to XDC network. You need to note that XDC address start with XDC instead of OX. If sending XDC from an exchange like Bitrue, replace OX with XDC in your wallet address. Buy XDC on exchange like Bitrue or use a DEX like XSwap. Withdraw XDC to your MetaMask wallet. Now visit PrimePort, connect your wallet and browse collection. Let's say we want a PRFI staking NFT. Click on it, then hit buy, agree to terms, confirm the transaction in MetaMask and boom, you now own the NFT. Check my profile to see it in your collection. To sell an NFT, first connect your wallet to PrimePort and navigate to My Profile. Select the NFT you want to sell and click List for Sale. Enter your desired price and confirm the listing. Once listed, your NFT appears in the marketplace for other to buy. When someone purchases it, you will receive a XDC in your wallet. If you ever want to cancel the listing, simply go to your NFT and select cancel listing. It's that easy. And that's a PrimePort, a sleek multi-chain NFT marketplace with a live auction, trading, collections, and exciting drops. Whether you are a collector or a creator, it's definitely worth checking out. What do you think about PrimePort? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest NFT and crypto content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.